Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this guide, I will show you how to update your iPhone 17 to the latest iOS version. It's quick, easy, and only takes a few minutes. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery, or keep it plugged into a charger. You can also use cellular data to update your iPhone. However, Wi-Fi is recommended. Start by launching the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Here, look for the Software Update option and tap on it. Your iPhone will now check for a new update. If an update is available, tap on Update Now. Enter your iPhone's passcode if prompted. The update will start downloading, and once it's ready, your iPhone will restart automatically. Don't worry, if this takes a few minutes, that's completely normal. Once your iPhone turns back on, the update is complete and you are ready to run latest version of iOS on your device. There are a few common reasons that can prevent you from updating your iPhone. For example, your iPhone does not have enough space. In this case, delete unused apps or photos. If update is not showing on your device, check your Wi-Fi connection or restart your iPhone and try again. If your iPhone is stuck on update, keep the phone plugged in and wait. Don't force restart unless it's frozen for a long time. And that's it. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.